are hoodlums. I have one niece that absolutely loves Lumos.
How many times do you think I'm going to ask, have I got my PlayStation account back?
Within the first 15 minutes?
No, I mean, the whole stream.
I say we take a drink every time you're asked.
Oh, a drink of what? Water?
Sure.
Because, like,
They're all saying hello to you.
hey! Because this never happened so far. Not be able to play Skyrim today. Why is it doing this now? Like, it didn't ask me this all week.
I'm going away until I can get rid of the hiccups.
Okay. The thing is, I can't do anything because my account is currently banned from PlayStation. The trolls got access to my account, and I'm banned from the PlayStation Network. And I don't have the passcode or anything like that because they changed all that.
I don't know if I can get into account management because I don't have the passcodes for things.
Remember, I have my account stolen. I don't have the email or the passcode to get into Unlimited UAV right now. I mean, you guys are looking at me like I'm an idiot, or I'm lazy that I'm not calling Sony right now. I've called Sony multiple times. I've talked to Sony on the phone at least 4 times. I've talked to them in text at least 3. And there's things that's happening behind the scenes, but I can't do anything until certain things happen. And I don't want to get into it. What I think is whoever has access to my PlayStation account told it to sign out of everything. I don't fucking know. I'm guessing that's what's happened.
It all depends on how things play out. I could get it back tomorrow. I could get it back 3 months from now.
No, I don't want no DoorDash. I can't tell you the plan, man. If I tell you the plan, it tells the trolls the plan. If it tells the trolls the plan, they work against me. See, that's why I don't want to talk about it. But everybody wants to consider and call me an idiot. Which I am. I don't feel like playing anything on PC. I wanted to play Skyrim. Start over from scratch, huh? Fuck all my Diablo characters. Fuck 4,500 hours of Siege. Fuck $10,000 worth of video games collection. Just start over. Level 335 trophies. But it sucks that we live in a world where people can do this to you. People can hold things of yours hostage. I'm probably just going to end the stream and go to bed. I should have checked beforehand. Like the trolls right now are talking about they're going to like sue me or some shit like that. Like take legal action against me. To take legal action against me, one of them has to step up and be the plaintiff. And I look forward to that day because like that person is getting the entire brunt of the trolls' crimes they put against them. I'm not entertaining it. That's just like them trying to find out me with taxes. Like, oh, Wings cheats on his taxes. No, I fucking don't. Half the shit they say is a fucking lie. All right, boys. I'm gonna end it there because there's really nothing I can do. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Looks like this stream's getting deleted.